One House, please. Can we go through the votes and proceedings?
Mr. Speaker, the major provisions of this bill, Mr. Speaker, is to allow the Rivers State House of Assembly to be part of recognizing a traditional ruler and reappointing or appointing the chairman of Traditional Rulers Council.
Some of the hotels that were located in some of the local government, especially by local government, was affected because the management will not insist that they wear masks. And the governor, out of anger that the chiefs did not do what he instructed them to do, sacked them, didn't recognize them. Mr. Speaker, if this law has been amended at the time, the matter will come before this assembly. And the assembly will touchlight it and see that it was not the problem of the chieftaincy.
The reason of repealing this law is that things today are of the high side. Mr. Speaker, I know you are aware of this situation we face in this country, how things have tripled in this country, where some families find it difficult to have a square meal. You can imagine a situation where you'll be asked to pay a sum of 5 million naira before you can access a government facility.
The people will not pay money to access government property, considering the economic meltdown in the country. I'm supporting this bill that it should be repealed. My people, the people of Andon, asked me to support it wholeheartedly. Mr. Speaker, I support it. Thank you.
Distinguished colleagues, we know that there are various sections of the principal law that has made it mandatory for Rivers people to pay certain amount of money to use state-owned property in millions for them to, before they can, have access to all those areas, particularly schools. We can now move to the next stage, distinguished colleagues. Is that your view? Yes. Distinguished colleagues, this bill is hereby committed to the House Committee on Chieftaincy Affairs. This committee will present their reports within 2 weeks. If they're able to do it in 1 week, we'll be happy, but within 2 weeks, we expect this committee to present their reports so that we can make progress on this bill. Distinguished colleagues, with your leave, we can provide the sum of 2 million naira to the families of those who lost their lives in that boat mishap. So, do I have your leave? So, those in favor of that sum, say ayes. Aye. Against, say nay. So, the ayes have it. So, the clerk will work with the finance department. Members will, one house, please. I think, honourable members, please. This fund is not coming from the House of Assembly. This fund will come from members' salaries.
Yeah, well, let's go.